Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests. Solving this logistic growth problem is actually super fast if you know the formula. Next, we use the given rate of 100 people per week when 1,000 are informed, plug these values into the general formula to solve for the specific growth constant K. Finally, calculating the growth constant gives us 0.12. Combine this with our carrying capacity to build a full equation. This matches the structure we see in our final choice. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush when picking variables and always trust the given carrying capacity to find.